Hello everyone, my name is Elijah and I'm a spiritual life coach that specializes in relationships and emotional well-being. At the Festival of Love, I'll be giving 2 talks. The first one will be about twin flames, soulmates and karmic partners, and the second one would be all about achieving true self-love and effective relationship management techniques. I will also be conducting 4 workshops, starting with a full moon sound healing emotional wellness workshop that would include essential oils, followed by a make your own signature love perfume workshop where you can bring back your very own customized perfume. The third will be a class about emotional wellness and effective management techniques using essential oils and aromatherapy. And finally, a workshop about how to reach twin flame consciousness for those of you who have met your twin flame partners. See you at the Festival of Love.